Time moves on, and you are left where you are. You keep waiting, hoping that you can irrevocably change the situation. But you cannot. You know you cannot. But you keep holding on, because you believe that somehow, some way, you will be able to change the outcome. The past is the past though, and you cannot change it, for it has already happened. That time does not exist anymore. So what is the point in thinking about it too intensely? The time has occurred, and now it has moved on. It is time that you should too.
Thank you for watching.
Hope you will like the video I created for you.
Please support me, click on subscribe. Then click on the bell.